सरस्वती नृत्यतुवाचे मे सदा स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। षष्ठकक्षायां पञ्चमः पाठः वृक्षाः। प्रथमं कवितां पठामः। वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षा वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षा शाखादोलासीना विहगा तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षा पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षा स्पृशन्ति पादैः पातालं च नभः शिरस्सु वहन्ति वृक्षा पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षा प्रसार्य स्वच्छाया संस्तरणं कुर्वन्ति सत्कारं वृक्षाः। इति कविता अस्माभिः पठिता। अनन्तरं वचनानुसारं रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयता इति प्रथमः अभ्यासः। कोष्टकेषु प्रदत्तशब्देषु उपयुक्तविभक्तिं योजयित्वा रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयताम्. So we have filled these gaps with the द्वितीया विभक्ति. Third exercise, अधोलिखितेषु वाक्येषु कर्तृपदं चिनुताम्. We have identified the subject in these sentences. Now, fourth was प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि एकपदेन लिखताम्. Now, you have to write the answers in one word. Up to this, we have completed the exercise. Today, we will take up the fifth exercise. समुचितैः पदैः रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत. So, in the textbook, you can see that akaranta pullinga shabda. I have sent you one PDF also where you could have seen the Rama shabda. So, like akarantaha pullingaha Rama shabdaha, Ramaha Ramau Ramaha, Ramam Ramau Raman, Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha, Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha, रामस्य रामयोः रामाणां रामे रामयोः रामेषु. Like that. So Sanskrit is a very scientific language. As you see nowadays, you are getting so much advertised about coding. You can learn the coding like that. So Sanskrit automatically codes in your mind. For example, if you learn that Ram Shabdam, you can tell thousands of shabdas without referring anything. For example, now what we are learning here, the one example is given like that. You have to write another word. Just like, see, there are 7 vibhaktis: prathama, dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, shashti, saptami, and sambodhana also. So 7 vibhaktis and 3 vachanas are there. They are ekavachanam, dvivachanam, and bahuvachanam. So you have to rhythmatically you can by heart them. So just like once again, for your help, I will tell Rama Shabda. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha, Ramam Ramau Raman, Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha, Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha, रामस्य रामयोः रामाणां रामे रामयोः रामेषु. हे राम, हे रामौ, हे रामाः. Like that. If you learn all other shabdas, gaja, ashwa, surya, bidala, sarpa, anything you can tell on your own without any efforts. Shall we see the example? Yes. Fifth exercise. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. So like that you have to write ashwaha, ashwaha, ashwau, ashwaha. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha, ashwaha, ashwau, ashwaha. द्वितीया विभक्ति सूर्यं, सूर्यौ, सूर्यान् इति अस्ति. चन्द्रशब्दस्य किं भवति? चन्द्रं, चन्द्रौ, चन्द्रान्. सूर्यं सूर्यौ सूर्यान्, चन्द्रं चन्द्रौ चन्द्रान्. नेक्स्ट तृतीया विभक्तिः बिडालेन बिडालाभ्यां बिडालैः. बिडाला मीन्स कैट. मंडूकेन मंडूकेन मंडूकाभ्यां मंडूकैः. पुनः वदामि बिडालेन बिडालाभ्यां बिडालैः. मंडूकेन मंडूकाभ्यां मंडूकेभ्यः. क्षम्यतां मंडूकेन मंडूकाभ्यां मंडूकैः इति भवति. चतुर्थी विभक्तिः भवति सर्पाय सर्पाभ्यां सर्पेभ्यः. सर्पाय सर्पाभ्यां सर्पेभ्यः. वानराय वानराभ्यां वानरेभ्यः. पुनरेकवारं वदामि गजः गजौ गजाः, अश्वः अश्वौ अश्वाः. सूर्यं सूर्यौ सूर्यान्, चन्द्रं चन्द्रौ चन्द्रान्. बिडालेन बिडालाभ्यां बिडालैः. मंडूकाय मंडूकाभ्यां मंडूकैः. सर्पाय सर्पाभ्यां सर्पेभ्यः. वानराय वानराभ्यां वानरेभ्यः इति भवति. पंचमी विभक्तिः एवं भवति मोदकात् मोदकाभ्यां. what you have written in चतुर्थी विभक्ति सेम. मोदकात् मोदकाभ्यां मोदकेभ्यः. मोदकात् मोदकाभ्यां मोदकेभ्यः. वृक्षात् वृक्षाभ्यां वृक्षेभ्यः. वृक्षात् वृक्षाभ्यां वृक्षेभ्यः. षष्ठी विभक्ति जनस्य जनयोः जनानां. जनस्य जनयोः जनानां. शुकस्य शुकयोः शुकानां. जनस्य जनयोः जनानां शुकस्य शुकयोः शुकानां. सप्तमी विभक्तिः शिक्षके शिक्षकयोः शिक्षकेषु. शिक्षके शिक्षकयोः शिक्षकेषु. मयूरे मयूरयोः मयूरेषु. मयूरे मयूरयोः मयूरेषु. संबोधनं हे बालक हे बालकौ हे बालकाः. हे नर्तक हे नर्तकौ हे नर्तकाः इति भवति. पुनरेकवारं पश्यामः. मोदकात् मोदकाभ्यां मोदकेभ्यः. वृक्षात् वृक्षाभ्यां वृक्षेभ्यः. जनस्य जनयोः जनानां. शुकस्य शुकयोः शुकानां. शिक्षके शिक्षकयोः शिक्षकेषु. मयूरे मयूरयोः मयूरेषु. हे बालक हे बालकौ हे बालकाः. हे नर्तक हे नर्तकौ हे नर्तकाः इति भवति. भिन्नप्रकृतिकं पदं चिनुताम्. अन्तिमः अभ्यासः अस्ति भिन्नप्रकृतिकं पदं चिनुताम्. I have asked some of you in the Viva test also this one. This is just like add man out. Many of you brilliantly answered. Really, I was very happy that even though you are taking the just basics now, your IQ is good. So you need lot of your logic. Understood? Logic is not in the form of meaning. You should not see only in the form of meaning. You also should see it in the form of grammar. Grammar point. According to the grammar, which is odd one out, that also sometimes it may be meaning, sometimes it may be grammar. Is it? So very nice. Very happy that some of you answered very well. Let us see today. Bhinna prakritikam padam chinuta. Odd man out. Take out the odd one. Example, first one Ganga, Lata, Yamuna, Narmada. Here you see the meaning only, because Ganga is also Strilinga, Lata is also Strilinga, Yamuna is also Strilinga, Narmada is also Strilinga. So what will you take? Ganga is a river, Yamuna is a river, Narmada is also a river, but Lata means a creeper. So which one is out? Lata is out. उद्यानं कुसुमं फलं चित्रम् अत्रापि सर्वं नपुंसकलिङ्गे अस्ति उद्यानं गार्डन कुसुमं फ्लवर फलं fruit chitram picture in the garden you will get flower and the fruit so picture you will get in the book so that's why chitram is add one out लेखनी तूलिका चटका पाठशाला so लेखनी तूलिका चटका पाठशाला इति अत्र किम् अस्ति लेखनी means pen तूलिका means brush chataka sparrow patashala means school is it you use pen and brush in the school not the chataka understood chataka is odd one out amram kadaliphalam modakam narangam amram means mango kadaliphalam banana modakam is a sweet narangam orange these three are the fruits modakam is a sweet that's why modakam is odd one out is it clear स्पष्टमस्ति एवम् अस्माभिः वृक्षाः इति कवितायाः अभ्यासः सम्पादितः वर्तते so we have completed the examples of the poem vrikshaah I hope you understood well and write it neatly because same pattern questions will come in the midterm exam which is going to start from 2nd of next month bhavatu shubhadinam bhavatu anudinam please write thoroughly if you are not following please pause the video and write down the answers thoroughly bhavatu shubhadinam bhavatu anudinam dhanyavadah any doubts are there you can ask me in whatsapp all of you know my whatsapp number 9480902161 धन्यवादाः